So, time for building some Lego sets from the 70s. I've got this 368 Lego set from 1975 with 156 pieces. The box condition is still great, not discolored, it's white, and the picture is still in great condition. Look at this, the OG minifigs or the statue minifigs style from that age. This is a taxi garage. Okay, let's get some dimensions of the box, because you have to get an idea if you are going to ship or get it for shipping purposes. Dimensions: 30 centimeters by 15 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Made in Denmark in 1975. Some pictures about the activities of this building. Other options for build. Nice. Another picture. The category C for children maybe from 8 years of older. More information about what other kind of things you could build them. Still the taxi with a small stop. Another car style. And at the back a lot of options, building options. So nice. That's a great plus of that age. Lego with 5 color stripes, as typical from the 70s. Okay, let's open the box. The box is kind of a drawer style box with an inner tray with all the pieces, not with plastic bags or something like that. Wow, that's the sound of the happiness. Look at all of these original pieces. I have to take them out from the box. I polished every piece before. It took me around 1 month. Unfortunately, some of the plates, the blue plates, are warped, as you see. It's warped. I will try to fix it. Let's check another one in warped condition. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of the years. Another one, and it was broken just right this edge, so I glue it. But I don't like this situation. But I will fix it, believe me. Let's take the rest of the pieces. And I will describe some of them, not all. That's the building instructions. Building instructions. More pieces. You gotta be so careful, because sometimes the pieces could get hide in the corners of the box or behind these flaps. Well, some information at the box. Some codes from the countries. I just trying to find out Venezuela here, but no. Mexico, Switzerland, Denmark, Finland. Right, no problem. Let's check some hard to find pieces first. Okay, this is the main base plate. The base plate is a green one 16 by 32 dots. That's the dimensions, with rounded corners. That's a so special base plate. Okay, it is in great condition. Let's get some other hard to find pieces. This is the pine tree plant, or the plant pine tree. It is hard plastic, original from that age. This brick, 2 by 3 black brick with taxi printed. Other one is this fantastic brick. It's 1 by 4 yellow brick with taxi printed on it, black taxi. Okay, that's hard to find. Other one, originally, is the Shell logo printed on the 1 by 2 white brick, not sticker. What else? Okay, I have to be so honest with you. With the 1 by 4 black brick with the car grill in chrome, I made it by my own in the chrome stickered vinyl, but I couldn't flay the inner parts in order to show the headlights and the grill. So that's the only piece which is not originally printed. It is made by my own, or homemade, let's call it much better. It is the only fake piece. I would like to compare two kind of trans-clear 2 by 3 bricks. This one is from the 70s, sorry, from the 60s, which is so clear, and this one is from the 70s, which is not so clear, just like this. I would like to use this one instead of this one, but because of the original Lego set from the 70s, I have to show you on the building process this transclear brick, but I will get that for my, well, for my own other collections. That's it. This is the most interesting piece I've ever seen in transclear condition. The other part, which is so hard to find, is this yellow door, 1 by 4 by 6 for a garage door. I polish it. That's in great condition. Other parts which are interesting are the Lego pieces for the minifig, statue minifigs, with the armless part. Somebody is calling it, or some people are calling this kind of minifig the OG minifig. The head are without face and with a solid or closed stud. Let's check this female hair style with pigtails from the 70s. This kind of wheels with a black brick 2 by 2. This tile 1 by 2 without grooves. I mean, this is the old style. Window shutters 1 by 2. Windows old style 1 by 2 by 2. What else? Some hard to find pieces. This transclear slopes 45 2 by 4 for the taxi. It's hard to find in these conditions clear shininess. And the 1x1x2 bricks with these clips for the window shutters. Okay, let's check the building instructions. The 368 easy steps. Building the taxi first, the shell pumps, the minifigs, and the process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and voila. Let's start to build it.
find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky